Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawda with Team Microbe here. As you know, we are test system design and developer as per requirement, and we are customized test system designer as per client's requirement. So we are going to demonstrate this particular test fixer in front of you, and this is very unique test fixer, and this is very different test fixer because we have integrated PLC and HMI as per the client requirement, and we recommended that PLC and HMI for particular this test fixer. So you will get and lots of idea how we are manufacturing the test fixer, and how if you have any requirements, you can just contact Micro for your requirements, and we can deliver this type of test fixers in front of you. So yeah, this is our manufacturing unit. Here our manufacturing, our reception is there. Backside you can see our manufacturing department for the mechanical and electrical. So we have in-house electrical, electronics, mechanical and mechatronics team members who are sitting on a single table and giving you a best out of the best solution for your test requirements. We are working in lots of different types of domain like automobiles, aerospace, defense, pharmacy, and different types of EV solutions for the test fixer. And total test fixer solution is customized because each and every PCBA is different. Each and every product is different. So if you have any PCBA, assembled PCBA, and you want to have the FCT, functional test system of your particular PCBA, then you are at the right place, and we will give you the best solution. If you want any final product test automation, if you have complete product and you want to test that particular product for the different types of test condition, then also you are at the right place. We can deliver a customized FCT solution for your final products also. We have lots of test fixer manufacturing technology inside our microbe only, and we are working in-house. We have all setups in-house, so you will get a perfect and accurate test systems as per requirement. Also in this particular test fixer, you can see a engineering which microbe is delivering to the clients with the electrical, electronics and other mechanical and mechatronic systems. So yeah, you will see all the engineering in particular test fixer. And yeah, we are delivering the best out of the best solutions to you. So coming back to what this particular test fixer, we get a particular one PCBA from a client, and this PCBA has optical sensors, and optical sensor is communicating with the PCBA and giving some voltage data, current data, flow data in terms of the ampere, microamperes, very microamperes. So we have engineered a particular test fixer with the Pogo pin setup. With the Pogo pin, we are getting the connections to the our embedded system inside. We have developed embedded systems as per requirement, because each and every signals cannot be configured with the PLC, as PLC runs into a 0 to 10 volt, particular in ADC modules, and for the IO we are working on the 0 to 24 or 0 volt. So if your test system, a particular UT is giving a out of range which cannot configure with the PLC, we are giving the embedded solution, and which is communicating with the PLC also. So this much of engineering is possible at Micro, and you will get a solution for that at one stop. So client just need to have a one call, and will give you the best solution for that. So yeah, this is the optical sensor part which is communicating with the UT. So let's come to a particular test, this test fixer. As in always in every test fixer video, you can see a rigidity of micro work. This particular test fixer is this type of uh, test design, fixer design is already tested 50,000 plus cycles. Lots of EMS supplier has already introduced this type of test fixer from micro, and have utilized it for the 50,000 plus test cycles. So we are very much confirmed, and we are very much sure for the particular mechanical setups which we are delivering. You can see a rigidity of what we are giving a 16 linear bearings, 16 linear bearings in test fixer, 4 linear rods for the rigidity. So if you have a 0.9 mm of the pitch to pitch distance between 2 points, then we can have the perfect solution for the micro movements of the fixer. So there won't be any alignment issue. It is going to be a very rigid. Even if I want to move it, it is not possible, right? So we are giving a lots of particular rigidity into from the mechanical point of view. You can see a Pogo pin connection. Here we are using a different type of particular Pogo pin mounting plats. There are lots of engineering into a Pogo pin mounting plat also. Depends on your ESD requirements, depends on your pitch to pitch dishes. We are using the different types of material. This is a particular NEMA G10 material for the ESD set. You can see a drill hole accuracy because our machine is working with the 0.20 micron accuracy for the drilling hole, and our machine is also specialized and special machinery for the servo equipments. You will you will see a video of inside also. In future we are going to give you that type of video. So this is particular Pogo pin connections. Here you can see a Pogo pin drilling holes. Here are the pins. You can, if you want to remove the pin, it is possible to remove. If you want to change the pin, it is also very easy solutions to change the pin. This is a pin part. One receptacle is inside, so if I want to insert the pin, that is also possible. Yeah. So we'll switch on this particular fixture also. Let's come inside to the fixture. Yeah, here comes another engineering part. You can see lots of engineering which we are delivering at one-stop solution in Micro. This is embedded solutions designed and developed for this test fixture. This is the relay network. This is the PLC network. So all the pins, all the connections from the PCBA is coming to the embedded board. From embedded board, it is coming to the PLC. From PLC, it is communicating with the HMI and all other spares as per the requirements. So this fixture is utilized for the programming part also. Also, it is going to collect the data on particular test condition. So I will switch on this particular test fixture and we will see how exactly it is working. So this type of engineering which we are delivering to the client, this is the UUT. You can see this is the UUT with the optical sensors which we are going to put on the particular fixture and will show how exactly the system is working. As per client requirements, we are always engineering the fixture solutions as per the requirements. So we'll get a perfect solution and very easy user interface because a different PCB and different product has a different user interface. So how to put it, how to take it, what test condition we want to apply, like you want to gradually increase the voltage, you want to gradually increase the current, if you want to increase the flow externally, you want a pneumatic system, then also it is possible from our side, right? So let's put this particular UUT. So it is very easy to put. This test fixture is giving result in within a 15 seconds. So within a 15 seconds of timeline, one PCBA can be tested. You can see how easily you can manage your production rate, because this particular PCB is going to be manufactured in thousands and thousands in multiplications. Yeah. So for your production unit, for your production purpose, you can get this type of fixture and get this type of solution from Micro. So we have put the particular UUT. UUT means unit under test. So it is very easy to put, and it is connected through the power pins, and we are going to give you the test condition as per the requirements. So in particular points, automatic voltage will come. In particular point, automatic current will increase. In particular test points, we will get the data and we will check this data is as per requirement or not. So analog interfacing, communication protocol interfacing, lots of things are there. Here are the optical sensor. You can see accuracy of optical sensor. This optical sensor is communicating with the UUT from here. So these are optical sensors. It is also going into the fixer, and when I just clamp with the toggle, it is going to come in very accurate position, that so it can communicate as per the requirement, right? Let me switch on the power, as I know you are waiting for the switch on power on this board. So let me switch on this. You can see HMI connection and HMI development from Micro. You can see our logo here, and this is the coming frames. So you can see step 1 to 4. So there are lots of different type of steps which is going to be performed from test fixture. So when coming to the HMI part, it is also a very unique development from our side. You can start and reset anytime with the test condition. Also, one more very important thing here, we are giving the setting window. So if in particular point, and if you want a voltage tolerance, like if you want to measure 4.5 volt, and in some time it can come 4.3 or it can come 4.2, 4.7, so plus or minus zero point 0.2 of voltage variation if you want to develop, we are giving that window also. So if in particular stage, if you want a tolerance window, so this is a minimum value and maximum value. If the our UT PCBA is giving the output of voltage in between these 2 points, then it is going to be a pass from particular test condition. So we are giving the settings for all the points. You can see a lots of engineering from our side. So in each and every steps, we are giving the minimum and maximum value. So in any time user want to change, then it is also possible. And this screen can be a password protected also. So any technician cannot change. So as per requirement, we can configure that thing also. Also, one more very important thing, we are saving the all the datas. So whenever a user is with the timestamp, so if you are testing the 200 boards or 500 boards, with the timestamp you will get a particular test points results. So particular one first test, what is the result, in second stage what is the result. So each and every data after the testing 500 piece, you can analysis that particular data. So let me start it out so you will get an idea. So this is already programmed board. You can also program these particular UT from the test fixture. One more thing, we have given the LCD outside because it was the client requirement. So we have given the LCD. This is a part of UT, but right now we have connected LCD through the bottom side of the Pogo pins to the particular this unit. So you will get a result on LCD. Also, as per the client need to check that LCD is working as per requirement or not. So let me start. This is start. You can see a configuration LCD is working as per the requirement and is giving the output as per the requirement. So this is a pass. The step one is perfect because LCD is perfect. Second, one more thing, it is giving the voltage as per the requirement, and that voltage reading you can also see this is 4.9 volt in particular first test condition. So this is automatically sensed. Let me open this so will get an particular things. This is the engineering part, so running engineering inside the fixer, right? So if LCD is giving perfect data, let me pass on the second stage. This is pass. So some of the test points, what is happening that manually user need to check it out. So it is giving perfect output, then we need to press OK. It is passed, and other part is going to be executed automatically. One particular test condition is okay, then and then only on second test condition this particular system will go. Yeah. So this type of test workouts we are giving. This is the result window where you can see all the result in particular step, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. In 7 step there are two conditions, so 7.1 7.2, this is we are giving. Then after 13 13.1 to 14, lots of things are there. These are the test results screens. So at the end of the UT testing you can have the final results on your screen. So this particular fixture will take only 12 to 15 seconds, as I already said, to test a single PCBA. Before this fixture, user is technician was taking approximate uh, 18 to 20 minutes to test particular single PCBA. So you can see how much a production time of saving. Also at that point user cannot save the data. Second, user technician, we are dependent on the technician and their the knowledge of work and their work procedures. So lots of things and glitches are coming with the client when we are with every client, because they are getting the lots of different types of workmanships errors when they are coming into a mass production. So this is solution. This is a machine based data output system. So this system will tell you this is as per your requirement or not. So it will give you a pass and fail indication. So any technician, any level of technician can do that. What they need to do, they just need to put the board and give the start command, nothing else. Give the start command. Rest of all thing is going to be handled by this system, and this system is customized, so it can be manufactured as per your requirement also. You can just give us a call, and our team will get back to you with the final and perfect solution as per your requirement. So if you have any requirements, if you have any such kind of requirements, you can contact Micro. We are delivering our products, we are giving our products in all India, in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Gujarat, Rajasthan, lots of, in each and every state we have already delivered our test system. Also, we are delivering our system in out of India, like in Canada, Australia, USA, as per the customized customer requirements. So we are delivering in whole world, and we are delivering the product as per client requirements. Another video also is going to come. This is also a different type of test fixer. This is a US test fixer. This is a Canada test fixer. This fixer is going to deliver into Canada. We have manufactured two test fixer, same to same. One is for the Canada, and second is the our EMS supplier in India. So yeah, uh, lots of work we are doing as per the requirement, and thank you very much for liking us our videos, because our YouTube family is giving a lots of orders to Micro and loving our works, and we are very much thankful to our family. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for liking us. If you have any doubt, just give us a call. We'll give you a perfect solution for your any automation, for or and for any test conditions, for any PCBA test solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, so we are getting the lots of motivations to design and develop this type of test fixer. Also, if you have any specific requirement, just do a comment. We will give you a quick answers to you. If you are a test fixer manufacturer, and if you have any doubt, just give us a comment. We will give you the answers into a comment. Thank you guys. Thank you very much uh, for watching this video.